Yeah, morning team. Scotty here for AllBrand Caravan Services. Hope you're well. I've been a busy boy filming with Creek to Coast, hence no updates of late. What have I been up to? Had 4 days over on Moreton Island recently. We did a bit of worming and caught some nice fish. We got some darts, some big brim. We didn't get any tailor, but we had plenty of fun. But what we also have done is a caravanning special just recently. We went down into the northern New South Wales area, and I know the June, July school holidays are coming up. If you're looking for ideas, as I just make sure this the water doesn't get me here on my local beach on the sunny coast, we sort of did Lismore, Ballina, and we ended up at a little place called Mini Water. What an awesome little part of the world. We caught tailor off the beach there. The fishing was crazy. We got big brim. We caught all of the above. So, as I said, June, July school holidays coming up. If you're looking for somewhere to go on the RV, I thoroughly recommend heading down south. But what I also thoroughly recommend is that you get in and get your RV serviced. You know, you might have had a service for many, many months, or there might be something that you need to get fixed. Give Toddy and the team a call at AllBrand Caravan Services. Get it done before you hit the road. Give you peace of mind to make sure when you hit that highway, nothing goes wrong. And we've also got a Scotty Special this month. If you purchase a battery, you will get free installation. That's right. That's the Scotty Special. Purchase a battery, free installation. Stay safe on the road. See you next time.